A bad hair day can significantly affect your mood, but if you're consistently unhappy with your hair, it might be time for a change. Start by determining your facial shape, as different hairstyles suit different shapes. Look for styles that flatter your face by browsing magazines or using online tools. Consider your hair's texture and density when choosing a cut, and find a trusted stylist who understands your vision. Communicate clearly with your stylist, perhaps by sharing images, and build a rapport for better results. Invest in quality hair products tailored to your hair's specific needs, and learn to style your own hair using online tutorials. If you're having a rough hair day, accessories or hats can help, while open communication at the salon can resolve issues with your haircut or color. Finally, check if your dissatisfaction stems from boredom in life rather than your hair, and remember that your hair is just one aspect of your identity. Self-love is key.